Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss hard tapping, one of the most hazardous maintenance activity in the process industry. We will cover what hard tapping is, why it is performed, the key hazard involved, lesson from past incidents, and the essential risk control measures and responsibility required to perform hard tapping safely. This awareness is critical for anyone involved in the operations, maintenance, inspection, or safety management. What is hard tapping? Hard tapping is a specialized operation that involves welding, cutting, or drilling into live process equipment or pipeline that are in service. Unlike normal maintenance work, hard tapping is carried out without shutting down, depressurizing, or emptying the system. From a process safety perspective, hard tapping is considered a control loss of containment because the system is live and pressurized. The risk level is inherently high. Hard tapping must never be the first choice. Wherever possible, a cold tap where the equipment is isolated, depressurized, cleaned, and brought to ambient condition should be selected. If full isolation is not possible, a warm tap may be considered. Hard tapping on fully live system must always remain the last option. Hard tapping process. Hard tapping generally consists of two main steps. First, a branch connection or nozzle is welded onto the live pipeline or vessel. Second, a specialized hard tap drilling machine is used to drill through the pipe wall and remove the metal coupon, creating a new connection. In some cases, only welding is performed without drilling. However, any welding on live system is treated as hard tapping due to similar hazards. Key hazards of hard tapping. The hazards associated with hard tapping depend on several critical factors, including operating pressure and temperature, properties of process fluid such as flammability, toxicity, and corrosivity, metallurgy of the pipe or vessel, wall thickness, and mechanical integrity. Flow conditions inside the system. The most serious hazard is burn through during welding. Burn through can cause an immediate release of pressurized flammable, toxic, or high temperature fluids. This may result in fire, explosion, severe injuries, or fatalities. Other hazards include arc eye, skin burn, electric shock, annihilation of welding fumes, ignition of surrounding flammable vapors, equipment damage, and environmental releases. Incident history and lesson learned. Although rarely reported, hard tapping related hard work has caused fatal explosion and gas releasing, proving it is a high consequence activity requiring strict controls. Risk management and control measures. Key control measures include conducting a farmer risk assessment involving operations, maintenance, inspection, safety, and contractors. Verifying material suitability using positive material identification or PMI. Ensuring adequate wall thickness, typically not less than 5 mm, and acceptable hardness below 200 Brinell. Avoiding hard taps on existing weld seam wherever possible. Maintaining positive fluid flow to help dissipate welding heat. Using qualified welders, approved welding procedures, and control heat input. Providing continuous gas monitoring, ventilation, fire protection, and emergency readiness. Testing all hard tap components, including nozzles, valves, gaskets, and drilling machines. Implementing a strict permit to work and management of change process. Roles and responsibilities. Clear roles are essential for safe execution. These include person in charge, area authority, permit issuer, and performing authority or contractor. Toolbox talk, communication with the control room, and coordination with emergency response team must be maintained throughout the job. Conclusion. Hard tap is one of the most hazardous maintenance activity in the process industry. While it is sometimes unavoidable, the risk remains significant every time it is performed. Strong engineering control, trained personnel, disciplined procedure, and a robust safety cultures are essential to prevent catastrophic outcomes. Stay safe and always remember hard tapping is the last option, not the first choice. Thank you for watching. Do comment if you want such other videos.